is to create a form. With this form, we are going to collect all the email addresses and the username. Now, this we will be using this form to send back emails to the users using Google Sheets. I'll quickly show you how we will be doing it using Google Forms and integrating Google Sheets and Google Email with this whole process. So we name our form as a simple form to create user details. Now we got the name. Now we collect their email addresses. Now there are two ways to collect it. Either you ask the email address here or let the form itself collect the email addresses for you. So if we go to settings and open this collect emails, we will this will now require every user to sign in with their email ID, and which will be able to collect the email for your forms. So let's just delete this piece and save this form. Now we need to send it's a simple form for data for name collection for email addresses. Now we use this form attachment to add entries into. Now it asks for my email address. I give my email address as I submit it. Voila, it is done. Now we go to the form and we see that we have collected one response. Now it is accepting responses. This is good. Now we see every response is coming like this, but we want to have the responses collected into an Excel sheet. So what we will do is we'll go to the create spreadsheet option here and create a spreadsheet of the email addresses. I'll write it as email addresses and we'll create it. We'll simply create this. Now you will see that we have got our form and our sheet. We have got a sheet created automatically, and the sheet contains our name and our email addresses.